the vehicle, please? Go and step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
For what?
Go and step out of the vehicle.
Do I need to get my license out or anything?
Yes.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, what are they doing? Why did you guys drive out? Oh my god. Do you guys need to get out the car?
Come speak to me over here, ma'am.
We just came from my friend's house. Do we need to get out the car?
So I need to speak to you.
Why? It's super cold. No, oh my god, no. Oh my god, it's super cold. We just came from my friend's house.
Where's your friend's house?
Oh, we need to take pictures. We were taking pictures.
You were taking pictures? Okay, so what's going on today, ma'am?
I don't know what you're stopping me for. We were just parked.
So, we had a shots fired here.
Okay, I don't know anything about that.
Okay, so
why are you blaming it on me? You're getting me out of my car.
No, so
you're getting me out of my car where I was safe. You're bringing me out in the open. Why are you doing that?
So we just want to figure out what's going on.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. Why are you taking out of my car? I don't know anything. My friend lives here. I don't know anything where you're gonna ask or anything about some shots. You said some shots, right? Shots fired? Is that what you said?
That's what I said.
I don't know anything about that. I want to get back in my car. It's super cold. I don't know why you're getting me out of my car.
Okay, have you been drinking today?
No.
No.
No, I want to get back in my car. It's super cold.
Stand by.
Sir, wait, what's your badge number?
995.
I'm sorry, wait, give me your card number real quick. Give me your card real quick, because I don't have your card number. Card? Yeah, you have a card where it's supposed to be your badge number?
Yes, I'm telling you my badge number. It's
no,
995.
You can give it to me. You don't have to give it to me. You can give it to me physically.
Okay.
So where is it?
So stand by.
Yeah, sir.
SFST?
Sir, you're getting me out of my car?
Yes, because we had a shots fired here.
Sir, fagging? Okay, I don't know anything about no shots fired. You're getting me out of my car.
Yes.
My car. I can give you my license plate and I can get you my driver's license or anything, but I don't have anything to do with it. You're getting out of my car, disturbing my peace.
So correct. I gave you a lawful order to step out of your vehicle.
Right, and I complied to it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can I get back in my car? Because it's super cold.
Okay, well, stand by one more.
If you're not getting me your card, physically, your physical card, you're not giving it to me.
Yes, I'll get you a card, but you need to stand by.
Can you give it to me? No, sir, please. I want to get back in my car. So am I detained?
So have you been drinking, ma'am?
No, I haven't been drinking. I've told you no.
Okay, because we observed you driving.
Yeah, and I was driving good.
Huh? SFST?
And I was driving good, and we were getting back of my friend's car.
Would you be willing to submit to some sobriety field
Sir,
testing?
I was driving good. What is your reason for pulling me over? I was parked.
Well, we observed you driving. We saw you go this way.
Sir, and I did a U-turn here in a lawful neighborhood, and I did a U-turn in a lawful neighborhood.
Would you be willing to submit to some field sobriety testing?
Sir, why are you pulling me over? For what? I'm super cold. You're pulling me over for a law test? You're pulling me over? Why? I was parked.
So would you be willing to submit to some field sobriety testing?
Sir, I was parked and you're pulling me over?
No, I observed you driving.
Sir, I was parked and I did a U-turn. Give me your physical card, please.
So, ma'am, I'm asking you a question.
I need your physical card, please.
Would you be willing to submit to some
Sir,
field
I need your physical your card, please. Sir, I need your physical card, please.
So are you refusing to take these?
No, I'm not refusing, sir. I didn't say no.
Okay, so are you willing to submit to some?
Sir, I need your physical card, please.
So the card is irrelevant at the moment?
No, it's not because I was parked. Sir, I'm a law student. I was parked.
Yes, and I observed you driving erratically while we're conducting our investigation.
And I was not driving
and you even parked crooked in front of the residence.
Sir.
So are you willing to submit to these field sobriety tests?
Sir, if you come over here.
Go ahead and put your things here.
Okay, if you come over here. Look, come over here real quick.
Hold on, ma'am. I'm asking you one last time.
I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing.
Okay.
Though.
This is a yes or no question.
I'm going
to ask you one more time. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety test?
I'm not
yes
refusing.
Or no?
I'm not refusing.
It's a yes or no question.
I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing. Sir, I'm not refusing.
Are you willing to submit to field sobriety test? Yes.
I'm not refusing.
I'm not saying if you're refusing or not. I'm asking you a yes or no question.
I'm not refusing. It's super cold and I'm not refusing.
Okay, so are you willing to submit to field sobriety test?
Sir, I'm telling you, I'm not refusing.
It's a yes or no question.
I'm not refusing.
Okay.
I'm not refusing.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety test? Yes or no?
I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing.
You.
Oh, it's super cold. I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing.
Where were you coming from?
Oh, we were just taking pictures. I'm not
Wait,
refusing.
your friend said you guys were at the neon paint party at Amador Life. And
Well,
said you guys were
we were taking pictures.
Okay, were you guys pre-gaming in the parking lot?
No, ma'am.
You weren't pre-gaming?
No, ma'am. We were just refusing taking pictures.
You were refusing taking pictures? You're not even making sense.
We were taking pictures. You're telling me where we came from? We're telling you we're refusing taking pictures.
So if I go to the Neon Amador and I get video footage, I'm not going to see you there?
Right.
Okay. Why'd you drive out and then come back?
Because she lives here.
Who lives here?
My friend.
I know, but you went...
Ma'am, am I being arrested?
He asked you a question, you're not
Am
answering.
I being arrested? I'm asking you a question.
Are you going to do SFSTs or not?
Am I being arrested?
Are you doing SFSTs or not?
Am I being arrested?
And I'll let you know.
Ma'am, I'm a law student.
I don't care
arrested?
what you are. That's not my problem. I'm not asking you what you are. I'm asking you, are you willing to submit? It's a yes or no.
I'm not refusing.
You're not forced to. It's a yes or no.
I'm not refusing.
So you are willing to do them?
I'm not refusing.
Is that a yes or no?
Am I under arrest? And for what reason? Because
Right now?
I drove under the parking lot, miss, but it wasn't nothing illegal.
You drove what?
I'm authorized to use U-turn here in a parking lot.
No, you're not.
I'm not?
No.
You're not? I'm not?
No.
In what section? What section of the law?
You can't do a U-turn
What
in the middle
section
of the road.
of the law am I not refused to
Are you
do a
gonna do?
U-turn?
Okay,
ma'am, I'm asking you what
Stop
section
yelling at
of
me.
the law. I'm
Last
not
chance. This
lying
is your last
to you.
chance. Are you willing to submit? I don't need.
I'm telling you, I'm not
It's a yes
refusing.
or
I'm
no.
asking you what section of the law am I not
I'll show you right
illegal
now
to
when we
do
give
a
you the
U-turn?
citations. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, give me the
paperwork will be
citations,
there.
but I'm not refusing.
And how you're parked too. Okay. So all those
It doesn't-
citations will be there.
Ma'am, look.
Yes.
Am I not illegally parked? Why
Yes,
am I?
you are.
How am I illegally
Vehicles
parked?
over here are supposed to face that way.
Can you
Vehicles
point that way
this
real quick? Because,
Get out of the road. You can get hit. Hold on.
ma'am, you're further than me. I'm not gonna get hit.
Coming towards the roadway.
I'm not gonna get hit. You're telling me that I'm getting pulled over because how I'm
it's up
parked?
to you. Friend did say that they're at the Amador Live around 8.
Ma'am, you know what? Can I get your badge number
It's
and your
998.
card? No. I want your
And,
physical card, and I want your physical
It's
card.
998.
I want
Okay,
your
you're on
physical
camera. My
card.
card's there.
You're authorized to get your physical card, ma'am. I don't think you know that I'm a law student.
I don't care what you are. Okay.
I
don't
need
care.
your physical card. You're
don't care.
authorized to carry
Stop pointing at me
your
and don't get
physical
near
card.
me, or you're gonna
I
get
need
charged
your
with assault.
cards. I need
Okay.
you.
Don't get near me because you're gonna get charged with assault.
Ma'am, you're characterized to carry your physical card in case of
ma'am,
emergency.
so we're gonna ask you one last time.
And
So
depending on
this
your
is the-
answer,
I'm
that's
not
what's gonna happen.
I'm not
okay?
refusing. I'm not
Are
refusing.
you willing to submit to field sobriety test?
I'm
yes
not
or no?
refusing.
And you saying I'm not refusing is we're gonna consider it refusing. So yes or no?
I'm not refusing. I'm not.
Okay,
And
yes
you guys
or
know,
no?
you guys can give me your physical card right now.
If you want to start the SFT, she said she's not refusing, and if she just wanted to,
I'm not
Okay, ma'am.
refusing. It's whatever you guys want. I'm not refusing.
I'm asking you.
And it is super cold, and I'm not
Okay, ma'am.
refusing, ma'am. And it's super cold.
So for this first test, go ahead and place your feet together, like so. Go ahead and place your hands at your side. So now look at the tip of my pen. Using your eyes. Go ahead and look at the tip of my pen now. So now, with your eyes and your eyes only, follow the tip of my pen, okay? So don't turn your head.
It is super cold. So I want to warn you guys that. It is super cold.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so just follow the tip of my pen. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you know that kid?
So just your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Do you know that kid at all? The one that was standing at the car? No. Okay.
So just your eyes.
Oh, it's super cold,
So I need you
sir.
to focus, ma'am, okay?
I'm sorry, it's super cold. No, I'm not refusing, but it's super cold.
Okay, ready?
It's super cold, officer.
Okay, ma'am. So I need you to focus on these tests, okay?
Yeah, but I want you to know that it's super, super cold.
I understand that.
And there's no reason for you to pull me over.
Okay, ma'am. Focus, okay? Hands, feet together.
Oh,
hands
it's
at your
super cold, officer.
side. I know, ma'am. Okay. The sooner we get this done, This new
What is your
get
name
away.
and badge number?
I told you already.
Can you tell me again, please?
Officer Pagan.
Officer Vagan?
Pagan, 995.
Oh, it's super cold, officer. There's no reason you should be pulling me over if I
Okay.
was parked. No.
All right, ma'am. So for this next test, can you imagine a straight line?
I believe so. I could maybe if it wasn't super cold.
Here, actually,
Please don't get close to me.
go ahead and face this way,
Please do not get close to me.
just so you're not walking in the street. Okay, so can you go ahead and imagine a
I
straight
am
line?
walking in the street no matter what happens. I just know it's
Just so you're not walking into traffic.
I just want you to know that it's super cold and it's not. So where do I walk, officer?
Okay, so for this next test, go ahead and imagine a straight line. You're gonna place your right foot on the line, like so.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, officer.
So you're gonna imagine a straight line. You're gonna put your right foot on the line like so. And then you're gonna put your right foot in front of your left, like so, and hands at your side. So go ahead and get in that position now.
And I want you to repeat again, what was your purpose of pulling me over?
So ma'am, we're here conducting an investigation,
I know, but
and you go ahead and drive
also
erratically
have
throughout the
right to know
neighborhood.
what the purpose
Well,
of you
he'll
pulling
tell
me
you
over.
as soon as
And I'm
security
explaining
tells
it to you, however, you're refusing to
And I
listen.
no, I do not refuse to listen. I hope you know I can conduct. I hope you guys can tell me what I'm pulling, why you guys are pulling me over for.
So ma'am, if you let me speak and you listen, I'll
I'm
go
sorry,
ahead and
but
explain it to you.
it's super cold.
Okay, so reason we pulled you over is we're conducting an investigation here on a shots
what?
fired.
Oh, shots fired?
Ma'am, can you let me
You already
speak?
told her.
Okay.
Yeah, but you said shots fired?
Yes.
Okay.
I told you twice
and
already.
When did that happen already?
Okay, ma'am. So let's just focus on our test. So imagine a straight line. On this straight line, you're gonna place your right foot. In front of your right foot, you're gonna place your left foot like so.
Okay, well,
Hands
I
at
can
your
try
side.
because it's
Can you get in the
super,
position, please?
Super cold. I can try because it's super cold.
I don't need you to try.
Officer, I can try because it's super cold. So I can try for you.
Okay, so get in the position.
And what position you want me to? That one right there where you're making?
So place your right foot on the line,
Okay,
and then your left foot in front of your right foot like so.
like that?
Yes, and then place your hands at your side.
Right there? It's super cold. Like that? Officer, like that?
So right foot,
Oh my
right foot on the
gosh.
line. Place, and then your left foot in front of your right foot like
Oh
so.
my goodness.
And then
it's
hands at
super
your side.
cold. Oh my goodness.
Okay, now,
I don't know, it's super cold.
ma'am. So I need you to follow my instructions.
I'm following your instructions, but
Okay.
it's super cold. I wasn't driving and you're pulling me over?
You're not
You were
driving. We
driving.
literally saw you driving.
No,
and
but you
got out of the
didn't
driver's
pull
seat.
in your lights.
Ma'am, we're not here to argue, okay?
I know we're not.
This will be
but
my
you
last
didn't
attempt
pull
at the
your-
test,
but
okay?
I know,
So
sir.
please
but
pay
you
attention.
Did not
Please
pull
don't
your
speak
lights
over me.
on. You did not pull your
Okay.
lights on.
So imagine a straight line. Place your right
I'm
foot
trying
on the
to
line.
imagine it.
Place your right foot on the line, and your left foot in front of your right foot. Now place your hands at your side. Now do not move from this position until I instruct you to do so. Do you understand?
Sir, yeah, but it's super cold.
Okay, ma'am. So on this straight line, you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps. Once you reach your 9th step, you'll take a series of smaller steps, making a small turn, and 9 heel-to-toe steps back to your original position.
Why am
You're
I
gonna keep
taking
your
a
hands
drug
at.
test? Why am I taking a drug test?
Don't argue. We're not gonna argue, ma'am.
You
Just
literally
listen.
said you weren't gonna refuse. That's why.
No,
we're
I'm
doing
not
this. At any
refusing, but
point,
you guys
if
are not
wanna
telling
stop
me.
it, you can.
You guys are telling me that you're pulling me over because of a U-turn.
Okay. Now go ahead and turn around. Ma'am, you're being placed under arrest for driving while under the influence of intoxicating alcohol and/or liquor.
Can I please have you use your?
It's gonna be all in the paperwork that you're gonna be provided. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's super.
Do you have a jacket in there?
No, ma'am. It's super cold.
I'll be right with you. Okay.
I want my water in the car. I can't get my water in the car
No.
at all.
Nope.
So why are you guys placing me under arrest again?
We've already been told like 1,000 times.
Which you can tell me again.
Clearly, you're not understanding what I'm telling you.
I am
because we've told you
understanding,
1,000
it's
times.
super cold. It's
Usually,
super
when people are
cold.
drunk,
You guys
they don't
cannot-
understand.
But I'm super cold.
Okay, you'll be warm in there.
Go on, take a seat, ma'am. I'll turn on the heater for you.
Sir, please, I'm super cold. She's not listening to me. Because she's a girl, please. You can listen to me.
I have been listening to you,
Es que
ma'am.
hace mucho frío.
I understand. Go ahead and place your feet in the
Pero
vehicle.
no me están escuchando, mira. Officer, por favor, no me cierre la puerta, es que hace mucho frío.
We'll turn on the heater for you, ma'am.
Pero es que eso no es el punto. Ustedes no me están escuchando.
We've been listening to you, ma'am. So go ahead and place your feet
Pero,
inside the vehicle.
maestro, por favor, ustedes no me están escuchando. I am turning on the heater for you. Pero es que se hace mucho frío. Maestro, por favor, usted me puede escuchar. Usted sabe español. Usted sabe español.
Sí, yo sé español, pero
Pero yo no
usted
estoy jugando
estás
con
escuchando.
ustedes.
No, sí, tú no estás poniendo atención a lo que
Ustedes me
nosotros
están
estamos diciendo
escuchando.
a usted.
Es que no sé por qué me están parando, oiga. Yo quiero ser una abogada defensora criminal, pero no sé por qué me están, o sea, usted así amarrando. Yo no quiero tener esto en mi crimen, no sé por qué me están amarrando.
Nosotros ya lo explicamos a usted ya como 2, 4 veces ya.
Es que porque ustedes piensan que yo tomo una, o sea,
Que estás manejando mientras estás tomada.
pero es illegal to make a U-turn in a neighborhood.
Eso no es la razón. Eso es uno de los razones.
Entonces,
Pero
¿por
la
qué?
razón es porque nosotros estamos conductando una investigación
Sí, pero
para...
no sé por qué, pero yo por qué, oiga. O sea, no nomás ustedes pueden contactar una investigación. O sea, yo estaba dejando a mi amiga, pero ustedes no pueden contratar una investigación así nomás por así, amigo. Por favor, yo no quiero ser una vaga, yo no quiero hacer una pesada, yo no quiero hacer nada, yo quiero ser abogada, pero no quiero que me traten así.
Entiendo. Bueno,
Quiero que me
mete tus pies,
escuchen.
por favor.
Pero no me encierren aquí, por favor.
Voy a prender el calentón para ti.
Pero eso no me importa, maestro.
Bueno,
me
meta sus pies, por favor.
Es que no quiero que eso esté en mi crimen, maestro.
Entiendo, pero mete tus pies, por favor.
Pero es que usted no me está escuchando, maestro.
Does she have a license?
For her?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we were leaving from another place. She hit a car. There's damage there. So right now I got the address where they're at.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be a car that's sit over there.
Yeah.
So also a hit and run. If you wanna go ask her right now, just if you wanna just right now Mirandize her and then ask her about it, and then after
What's
I'll
your
go
name?
over there.
So on this one, Sarge, well, she's 47. Apparently her friend says that they were at another address where the 41 that I 15'd, she crashed into another vehicle and then drove off. And that's when she came driving erratically through us while we were doing the investigation for the shots fired. She refused SFST, so that's why I placed her under arrest. I gave her every opportunity in the world, but she just refused and was just being argumentative with me the whole time. And
Do we know where that other address is?
Yeah, Karen's getting it right now. She's going to investigate it. I'm going to get the plate to the vehicle, and I'm going to ask her if I can get her purse so I can get her driver's license, and I'll take her back to the station and do the rest.
All right. What a mess, huh? What a mess.
It gets better and better.
But wait, there's more.
Oh my God, you guys don't have any heat in here, please.
So, Miss
Yes, yes, sir. You guys don't have any heat in here.
So just listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I explained them to you, Ms. Okay, so Ms. I'm going to ask you questions regarding the vehicle accident and the damage in front of your
I don't
vehicle.
know anything about it, and look, you guys are super hot in here. Like, I cannot believe you guys have people in here. No, I cannot believe you guys have people in here. Do you guys have people in here?
So,
It's super, super hot. Please.
It's hot?
Yes.
so Ms.
I don't know anything about that vehicle accident. I don't know anything about that vehicle accident.
And the
I don't know
damage
what
to your vehicle in the front, on the right side.
Where?
The damage your vehicle sustained on the front right light.
Right now? It happened right now?
No.
When did it happen?
Well, that's why I'm asking you.
Can I see it?
So, not at this time because you're detained, ma'am. I just wanted to see if.
So why am I detained, sir? I don't understand.
Well, you're not detained. You're under arrest right now for driving while intoxicated. But
how do you?
I'm asking you questions pertaining to the vehicle accident that you had earlier while you guys were at that little carnival downtown.
Carnival?
Or wherever you were prior to this.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know, but I don't know why I'm under detained.
You're placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. But I'm asking you questions pertaining to the vehicle accident that you got into prior to being under arrest.
I know, but I don't know why you guys aren't detaining me for that particular reason. I don't know.
For driving while intoxicated. That's a crime in the state of New Mexico.
But I wasn't anything. No. You guys didn't do any sobriety tests or anying.
Do you not remember what we just did?
Well, yeah, but I asked you why, and you guys didn't even complete it. But you guys didn't complete it. You guys told me that you guys were into, and then you guys proceeded to tell me that I was under arrest. But I never really got the reason why I was under arrest. You guys just told me you guys were doing sobriety tests on me, but I never got the reason why. Asked you,
okay,
and then
follow-up questions. May I get you the driver's license that's in your purse, in your vehicle?
No, you may not. I can get it for you if you'd like.
Okay, well, we'll tell this female officer to bring your purse to you so you can get your,
But I don't know why I'm under detained if I'm under the influence, but I never got tested or anything, and then...
Well, we were doing our tests, and you were being so argumentative that
no,
we were unable
I was
to
asking
complete
questions, because I'm a law student. I want to ask questions. I was asking questions.
So there's a time and place for questions, ma'am, and there's a time for listening, which you were just unwilling to do, and you were willing to argue with me during the entire time I was trying to conduct my SFSTs. Now, I'm not here to argue with you at the moment.
We're not
What my
arguing.
question is, I want to ask you, can this female officer bring your purse to you so I can get your driver's license so we can go ahead and proceed with the paperwork?
I can get it for you, if that's what you're asking. I can get my driver's license for you. I'm not arguing with you.
Okay, may we have permission to get in your vehicle and get your purse to bring
no,
it to
you may not. I can get it for you if you'd like.
Okay. Go ahead and sit back. No, you can sit back inside.
But I wouldn't prefer you close the vehicle. I'm very, it's hard to breathe.
So are you hot
keep
or
it
cold?
open, I'm super hot. So if you can keep
I'll
it
change the air for
open.
you. I can't leave the door open for you, ma'am.
Do you think you could put that in the window for me?
Yes,
if you'd like.
I could put down the window.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Vamos con este pan.
No quiero estar aquí. Yo no quiero estar aquí. Yo quiero ser abogada. Yo quiero ser abogada. Yo no puedo ser abogada si ustedes me traen aquí. Soy muy tascadero.
Go ahead, can I?
Yo no quiero estar aquí en una celda, pero yo no pertenezco aquí. Soy muy tascadero, por favor.
¿Necesitamos todo, ma'am?
Soy muy tascadero, por favor, ayúdame. No estoy haciendo nada. Soy muy tascadero, usted sabe que no estoy haciendo nada. Yo no soy una abogada.
It's parent. So you can close. Okay.
I need to explain to you what it is.
So we can see. So this is
No, you
basically.
did not explain it. You just told me. You just didn't explain. You didn't explain to me. That's why I said because you guys didn't explain to me. I didn't. I said I was going to explain.
Karen.
Huh?
So this is your last chance to take the test. Now, if you refuse to take the test, your license will be revoked for a year.
So we're giving you an opportunity because even though you weren't answering yes or no, this is just so you know that your last opportunity was given. And if you don't, we're just gonna still print it and it's still gonna be turned in. So it's up to you. You don't have to, but we're offering you this last opportunity.
For what? Just
To
go
submit
into
a
the
breath
test?
Yes. If you,
But I'm telling you for what, and you're not telling me why, just because I was parked. You guys stopped me
it's a
because I was
breath
parked.
test for intoxication.
But you guys parked me because I was stopped. That's
That's
why.
not even making sense. You parked me because you're stopped. It's up to you.
You parked me because I was stopped.
Yeah,
and
we
I was
parked you
stopped.
because you were stopped.
Because I was stopped. I wasn't driving at that point. I was stopped.
Okay.
You didn't even turn your lights on.
Listen.
No, you guys
We
are not
already-
letting me
We already
explain.
gave you one chance.
Well,
If
you
you
guys-
don't want to take it,
You're not letting me explain.
it's right there. That's your last
You're
opportunity.
not letting me explain.
You have 5 seconds.
Ms. Rodriguez, you're not letting me explain.
Okay,
If I
one,
have another officer,
2, there's another officer right
Okay.
here. 3,
somebody else, because you guys are not letting me explain.
do you want me to leave so you can talk to me?
You're having so much attitude ever since you stopped me. So it's,
Okay, she doesn't want to do it. Just
it's not that I don't want to do it, I never
Okay,
said
so
no.
if
I
you
never
change your
said no. So
before you go
you said no?
It's right there then.
You said no?
We can't force you to do it.
It's not that I didn't want to do it, I'm asking you, so you said no,
Just
right?
run it and put this in.
So you said no, right? Okay. Thank you. You said no. I never said that I didn't want to do it. You guys are not just, you guys are not, no me están explicando muy bien en español.
There was someone called saying that they heard a gunshot, so that's why we were
It
there.
wasn't me.
We're not saying it was you.
You guys are saying I'm driving under the influence, pero ni siquiera me hicieron unas pruebas ni nada, nomás me amarraron y me agarraron aquí.
So the reason why you were stopped is
Pero
because
yo
you did that
estaba-
U-turn. You passed by us, you did that U-turn, and then you also parked on the wrong side of the road.
No,
so
I
that's when we spoke to you.
But I can park there in that part of the road. It's a neighborhood. It's not a road. It's a neighborhood. Like, it's not like I made a wrong
So we
turn.
smelled. So when we were speaking to you, because of all those stuff, we smelled a little bit of alcohol, an alcoholic beverage, and that's why the officer did
You
the
guys didn't
test.
tell me that though. You didn't, officer. You
The officers did. Okay?
no, they didn't tell me that, officer. Officer Gomez, is that right?
Sergeant Gomez, yes.
Sergeant Gomez, they didn't tell me that though. That they smell alcohol in my breath. They didn't tell me that. You can run the cameras back.
Okay.
They didn't even let me conduct the photo. Me estás cerrando los corazones en la cara. Officer, when am I gonna be here locked up? I wanna go home.
So you still need to see the judge?
Oh, this early in the morning?
Not till Monday.
That's a Monday, but you're gonna keep me locked up till Monday.
You're not gonna be here.
Okay, so I'm asking you, when am I gonna get released? That's what I'm asking you.
So after you hear a judge, man, or a judge hears you. Come on, let's follow my.
Pero explíqueme, no me puede tomar foto así, maestro oficial. Yo quiero ser una lawyer. I want to be a defense attorney. I can't be a lawyer like this.
Come on, let's follow my. Let's
I'm
go.
asking you something. I can't be a lawyer like this.
You made the decision. We did.
I did it. Yo no estaba en la influencia. No estoy en la influencia.
Okay, Miss Palomas, come on.
Ustedes no me dijeron que me saliera ni nada, ni mi licencia, ni por qué me pararon. Sí, maestro.
Good morning, guys. Miss Palomas, para quitarte los. Deja quitarte los mariposas.
Por favor.
So, stand up and then. So cuando quito tu mariposa, pon tu journal in your hand.
Mira qué feo me lo tienen. Mira qué feo me lo tienen. Ustedes son unos injustos. Yo no hice nada. Yo no hice nada. Yo no hice nada. No sé, no me lo voy a dar. No, tampoco.
Morning, guys.
Yo no hice nada. Yo no hice nada. Yo no hice nada.
Long night.